English cooking phrases explained. Boil until done. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the kitchen to explore a common cooking instruction you might encounter in English recipes. Boil until done. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with cultural and culinary nuances that can be fascinating to learn about. Boil until done is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. At its core, it instructs to boil an ingredient in water or another liquid until it's fully cooked. However, the tricky part is understanding what done really means, as it varies depending on the food item. For instance, pasta might need to be al dente, firm to the bite, while vegetables might need to be soft. In English-speaking countries, particularly in home cooking, recipes often use vague terms like until done to account for personal preferences and variability in ingredients. It reflects a cooking style that relies more on intuition and experience rather than precise measurements. For English learners, this phrase can be a bit confusing. Here are some tips. Research the food item. Understand the usual cooking time and texture. Check regularly. Test the food for doneness by tasting or using a fork. Learn from experience. The more you cook, the better you'll understand these terms. This phrase is a great example of how language and culture intersect in everyday life. Learning such phrases not only helps in the kitchen but also enhances your understanding of English as a living, evolving language used in real-life contexts. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, boil until done, and its implications in both cooking and language learning. Happy cooking and learning! See you in our next video.